What's up everybody, Hardcore RC here. Turnigy have just released some new batteries on Hobbyking, some Hardcase batteries with some very good C ratings, 5,500 milliamp hours, 140C. They're Hardcase as well, so they come in 2S, 3S and 4S. The interesting thing about these are they're not just S, they're also, so it's 2S, 2P. You don't normally see in the batteries these days, but that's what they're doing. So the 2 in series, 2 in parallel, which is giving them the ability to get up to that 140C rating. Whether the C rating is true or not, I don't know. I haven't run them yet. I've just literally ordered them this week. In fact, ordered them on Wednesday. They've turned up today on Friday. So I thought I'd do a quick video just unboxing them and letting you see what they look like. I've ordered 2 3S's and 1 4S. So have a look. I mean, hopefully, based on my prior experience with Turnigy batteries from Hobbyking, they're very good batteries, especially for the price. You really can't go wrong with them. So I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get these from. They're called the Turnigy Rapid, 5,500 milliamp hours, rated at 140C, which you can see. I don't know whether you can see it just down there. Hard pack. This is the 3S. As I said, it comes in the format of 3S. Whether you can see it there, hopefully you can. 3S 2P, which means 3 batteries in series and 2 in parallel. So there's actually 6 cells in there in total. So that's the 3S one. This is the other 3S. So I said I've got 2 3S's. And 1 4S. So yeah, that's the other 3S. And then the 4S one out. And that's the 4S. And again, hard case. The hard case feels fairly substantial. They are also raw approved. And I'll just give you quick dimensions on them as well. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we'll look at the 4S one first, and dimension wise, we can see that that is about 139 millimeters long by 47 millimeters deep and 46 millimeters wide. Okay, so that's the 4S one. The 3S one with similar dimensions lengthwise, I would imagine. Yeah, about 138, 139 long. That is 36 deep and 47 millimeters wide. As I said, there's a quick video. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these from. Interesting because getting hold of very good quality hard packs, certainly in the 3S or even the 4S in the UK, is extremely difficult. So I'm hoping these work out well. They certainly, based on my prior experience with Turnigy, they should work very well. They come with XT90 plugs, balance leads, everything else you need. It's quite nice that the battery can either sit coming out the front or coming out the top. So depending on what configuration you're going to run these in, it allows the leads to hopefully get out of the way a bit better, because sometimes if you want to stack them on top, if you're running on 6S, having the leads coming out at the front is very handy because they don't get in the way. So yeah, there we have it. So put a link in the description below where you can get these from Hobbyking. My suggestion would be to get them while you can before they go out of stock. As I said, especially if you're in the UK, because getting hold of good quality UK hard packs is difficult. Anyway guys, if you like what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.